Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace this 3-way valve. This one that you see right here. This one takes care of delivering basically all the water flow through the machine. This will deliver water through the group head, to the steam one, and to the hot water as well. So it definitely takes the whole load of the machine. We'll replace that out of the machine and now we're going to be testing it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be using the grinder. We're grinding on the 5th setting and we're using our test coffee over there.
Could be,
Perfect.
what's
Got a little bit of extra coffee, but it's okay. We can always dial in by decreasing or increasing the amount from here.
Oh yeah, I wonder if it really
So now we're gonna be doing that shot of espresso.
from the
Right now he's doing pre-infusion, and right now he's doing extraction. As you can see, the espresso range goes all the way to the medium. Nice sweet spot, excellent crema, really good flow coming out of the portafilter, and perfect. Nice espresso coming out of the machine, looking really good.
Good idea.
It makes it easier to access. Sure.
There are other tanks. Oh, that's the one over there.
As you can see, hot water. We have a nice steady stream as well, with the excellent temperature. And now we're gonna be testing the steam. We're gonna see a little bit of leaking coming out from the hot water because these share the exact same hose. It goes through here. But once the machine gets up to temperature, we're gonna see the steam coming out through the one. And we're gonna hear the water pump pulsing. There you go. Now the thermal block is in temperature, and we're gonna see the steam coming out of the one. Nice steam coming out through the hot water to the one, to the steam one. Excellent pressure. Working excellent. Working fine. So there you have it. Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.